Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing and setting up of ZTE Grand X View 4 tablet, and I got this free when I renew my iPhone 11. Since I'm with the provider for almost 7 years, I asked them for my loyalty rewards. They cannot give me a discount for my monthly fee of the iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold. They got this for me instead. And let's start by opening this box. So here's what inside, and this one is the tablet. I think this is 8-inch. And this cable, the power bricks. Yeah. A warranty card and installation guide, like a 3G tablet where you can install your SIM card. Let's open this. Maybe this is low bat. Let's charge it first, and I will just use my power bank because I don't have the access for my outlet here. Alright, this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. This is the microphone and the camera, and then here's your speaker and light sensor and another speaker here. And then on this side, this is the power key, and here's the volume. This is the decrease and then the increase on the top side. And then here is the camera, and then here is where you can put your SIM card and your micro SD card. Memory. SIM card is here. Micro SD is SIM card, micro SD, and then yeah. And okay, let's see. Maybe it has enough power. Turn it on. Okay, I press this for a few seconds, the power button. And then let's connect to the Wi-Fi, and then now it's connected. It shows here it automatically update. After checking of the update, this one comes out, so it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. I would just say don't copy. So it says here sign in your Google account, so I will skip for now, and then skip. And then so there's a lot of Google services also, so accept. Lock. Let's skip the screen lock. Privacy policy, and then just agree. There's nothing you can do but to agree. So you can choose the navigation style. There's the gesture and the virtual navigation. Let's just use the virtual. And yeah, so it says here home is up. Okay, here you can see this is your default page. This is the search. If you move to the left, this is your search box for Google, and then okay, Let's try to check this setting. So swipe up, go to setting, and let's check the storage. So the storage is only 32 gig, but anyway, this one is expandable with the memory card. So let's go back and let's see the image, the camera. So show all the time, deny, don't access the location. So let's try this one. This is the camera, and alright, yeah, decent enough, not that sharp. So those are the settings. So the camera is 2.4 aperture. You can see here there's a video. Let's see the setting of video and the quality. They have 720p and the MMS video, so that's the only one that they have. Let's check the setting of the picture. They have this 5M, 3M, and 2M. And okay, let's try to take a picture from outside. Yep, that's from the outside. And there's a good source of light. You can see the clarity of the picture, and that's a moving car, so you can see it's not blurry at all. This one is moving maybe around 60 km/h because there's the speed in our street outside. Let's see the installed apps. So you have YouTube Music, Google Calendar, the YouTube. The sound is so nice.
Make it a sectional sofa set. You can buy only the sofa or only the chaise lounge.
Oh, that's nice. It have a multitasking. Let's see. Yep, it's nice. So how to do multitasking is just press this one, and there's a split screen here. Then you have to check whatever apps you want to use. See that one, and then once you don't want this window, you can push this forward. The voice recorder, calculator, calendar, play movies, news, and of course you can install any apps using the Play Store, anything that you need. And Android, since this is Android, it's easy to set up the layout of your tablet. So far so good. This is plastic. This is good tablet. I'm not sure, I'm not sure with the price, but I think this is 180 Canadian dollars, so not bad for that price. Expandable memory, you can insert your SIM card. Do the unboxing of this case. This is 2x2 case, drop protect. This is a universal case for 8 to 9 inches tablet. Okay, so what's inside the box? Set this aside first. It's the hand strap and sling, and so there's a direction here. And this one is a writer review. So you can see here how it works. There's a stand here, adjustable. This sling is for the backrest of the car. someone who wants to use this to watch movie while traveling, you have to do is insert first the upper part and then the lower part. Okay. Yep. So sideways or this way, portrait, landscape, and then, wow, I don't know, this one is way too hard to close and you might break it. So, and then let's try this strap. This one is a shoulder strap, which can be used for strapping at the backrest of the car. Okay, it's hard, but still works. And then here. Okay, this is padded. The problem here is the accessibility of this charging port, but anyway, it's easy to remove. So let's try. Yeah, it works like that, but it's much better to remove that like this so that you're not having the risk of damaging the charging port or the charger itself, because if there's a silicone you will bend this one. Access with the headphone jack. And then let's see the selfie. Still access with the selfie. And there's one more here. This is the hand strap. You can replace this stand. And then replace with the strap. This is the hand strap. If you want to use it like this, right? This is nice. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.